In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to email Eventbrite. If you've been looking for a direct support email address, here's the key thing to know up front. Eventbrite mainly handles inquiries through its official help center and contact forms, not a public inbox. Start by heading to their support page at www.eventbrite.com/help-in-us. Contact us. Once you're there, log into your Eventbrite account so the system can match your request to your profile and past orders. You'll be prompted to choose the type of issue you're having, whether you're attending an event, organizing an event, or dealing with something else. This choice helps route your message to the right team. Next, select Contact Support. You'll typically see an option to send an email via a contact form, and sometimes you may see live chat if it's available in your region and during support hours. The contact form is usually the fastest way to get a written response, and it ensures your message lands with the right specialists. Now, if your question is about a specific event, things like refunds, event details, ticket problems, or schedule changes, it's best to reach out to the event organizer directly. Log into Eventbrite, go to Tickets, open your order for that event, and click Contact the Organizer. Organizers handle most attendee questions themselves, and contacting them through your order gives them the context they need to help. For a smoother exchange, keep your message clear and include relevant details like your order reference or the email associated with your ticket. You may also receive automated messages from Eventbrite for things like ticket confirmations or password resets, as well as communications from their privacy team for data-related requests. Keep in mind that many system-generated addresses are no reply, which means you won't be able to respond directly. If you need follow-up, go back to the Help Center and use the contact form or your order page. A quick safety tip: be cautious with unexpected messages claiming to be from Eventbrite. Official communications commonly use domains like eventbrite.com or order.eventbrite.com. If something looks off, don't click links. Navigate to Eventbrite's site directly and sign in to verify. Never share passwords or payment details over email. To recap, use the Help Center contact page and its email form or live chat to reach Eventbrite's support team, and use your tickets page to message an event organizer for event